For simple sites, it is convenient to use fixed value as the project altitude. Values exceeding the tolerance are painted in the color chosen for this. At the actual date, you can use text, in which case the altitude will be taken from the text content, and the result of the calculations is also written to it. The application can calculate the altitude deviations from the surface. To sign the deviations in the drawing, you can use both text and a leader.